Hey guys, what's up? So basically today we'll try to actually I like DSA and I also like LLMs. So I thought of combining these two ideas. Like let's try to uh, make like Llama 3 solve easy, medium, and hard questions and see how if it can do it correctly, right? So let's try it out. I have sorted out three questions in Leetcode. One is valid parenthesis, one is the three sum closest, and the other is the Sudoku solver, each with easy, medium, and hard difficulty. So I'll run my Llama 3 over here. So Llama 3. So yeah, Llama 3 is running now. I just need to give it. So basically, let's try to copy this. We'll also need to uh, we'll also need there is no function definition. Anyways, that doesn't matter. Let's try to give it this question and let's see if it can solve. Most probably an easy question would be solved by this is Llama 3-8B parameters. So uh, let's try if this can uh, write C++ code, write code. Let's say write code for this question, taking a string S as input and function as parameter in function is valid, which is Boolean. Okay, let's try. So now this let's see what Llama 3 says. Actually, my GPU is not as good, so it might take some time. I'll just pause the video right now. Okay. So and let it complete once, and then we will move on to the next question. Thank you. Hi guys. So basically, it took around 1 to 2 minutes to print out the whole solution with explanation. So here was the question, and this was the question, and it started from here. Here is the Python solution, and then it wrote a code. Let's first see the correctness of the code by running it. Right? Oops. Let's just run it in Python 3. So yeah, let's just copy this thing. Yeah. So let's see the correctness of this code at first, and then we'll move on to something else. Yeah, so let's just submit it once, and I think it's accepted. So let's now see the response and the explanation. We use a stack to keep the track of an opening brackets, obviously, and then whenever closing bracket comes, we generally pop out the opening bracket if it is of the same category. We iterate over the string for each character. If it's an opening bracket, that is one of the values, we push it onto the stack. If it's a closing bracket, if the stack is empty, stack doesn't match the current closing bracket, then return false. That is true because if there is a closing bracket but no opening bracket, then it means we should return false. Otherwise, we pop the opening bracket from the stack. Finally, if the stack is empty at the end, it means all the brackets were popped properly. And yeah, the solution time complexity is O of n and the space complexity is also O of n. So it correctly guessed out the answer actually. So yeah, that's great. Let's move on to our next question, which is medium level, called the threesome closest, not threesome. So let's start. Right. So write code for this question. Uh, taking input as list nums and target taking parameters as list nums and target and the function name being three sum closest, right? So let's try this out. Time is 5:53 right now. Let's see when it can again write out the whole solution. I'll pause it right now again. Okay. So Llama 3 just finished coding right now, and it says here is the Python solution. So let's just at first let's try out the Python solution if it works or not. Uh, Again, I convert this to Python 3 and so basically one shift will do right. So yeah, this should work. Right. Let's try out. Okay. Let's submit it once and see what's the output. Tada, it can also solve a medium level question in Leetcode. I'm not generalizing it, but it solved a medium level question in Leetcode. So yeah, let's see the explanation now. We first sort the array to make it easier to find the closest sum. Then we iterate over each element in the array, treating it as if the first element of a triplet. For each element, we use two pointers left and right. This is similar to a two-pointer technique for finding pairs of elements that add up to a target sum. Okay, it can relate to previous questions. We calculate the total sum of the current triplet and check if it is closer to the target than our current closest sum. If it is, we update our closest sum. We then move the pointers based on whether the total sum is less than or greater than the target. If it's equal to the target, we return the target because problem states that there will be exactly one solution. Okay, and then the time complexity of n squared and everything. Okay, pretty cool. So now let's move on to the toughest question, which is the hard question among all of these. So let's start. Uh, I'm not sending it. I'm not sending it with the uh, write a code for this, taking board list of list as input. Let's try to run this. Guess if it can solve or not. Let me guess. I'm guessing it probably might solve this question too. Let's see. So let this run. Till then, I'll just pause the video again because it would otherwise take some time. Okay, so basically Llama 3 actually solved this question, and but we just need to basically know uh, like if it was correct or not, right? So let's just check it out. I can play. Right. Okay. Not- I don't know what I am doing, but now I guess it's fine. Right. So let's solve this question. Let's just run it once. Okay. So the first test case got accepted. Let's just submit it. So it took almost, oh damn. Although it is on the lower end, but it did solve this question. And let's see the time complexity. I didn't tell the time complexity actually, but it's fine. So basically, Llama 3 did solve an easy question in around 2 minutes, a medium question in around 3 minutes, and a hard question in around 7 minutes. That's impressive. And yeah, so these can also do DSA. So That's a bit alarming, but also it's fine. Let's see what happens. Right. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share and subscribe with your friends who do DSA and also who want to see the performance of Llama 3 on DSA questions. Thank you. Bye bye.